What lights up others may dim your light. 6. And the most important above all. Greetings and welcome to All in One Perspective. Higher thoughts, connections today. My name is adrianapvillalobos. So today we're going to be focusing on ourselves and why. Thank you so much for tuning in. Today we're just going to talk about focusing on yourself. Now, this might seem like a whatever topic, but it's really not. So grab yourself a beverage, coffee, tea. I have coffee. Sit down and let's have a chat. Alright, starting. Number 1, you are responsible for your own success, so focus on what you want. Get clear on your goals and dreams. And so this is a part where you take action. Everyone has goals, everyone has dreams, but not everyone completes their goals. Some people die without completing their goals or their dreams, and this is because, well, I don't know the reason, but we all have goals and dreams in our head, but they're just all random in our head. They're not in order. Get organized, write them down. You could do this by creating a vision board, a monthly goal. So every month, write yourself affirmation and realistic goals that you're able to achieve for that month, and just put it on your mirror, on your journal, in front of your binder, on your wallet. Carry it within your pocket, but always be grounded with your goals and your intentions and your dreams. Every day is recommended to have solitude. I made it into a habit where I wake up and I have a moment of solitude where I meditate, see the goals that I have for that month, just grounded, connected to myself. Embrace that solitude. And if you don't know how to get started or don't know, what goals or what dreams you have, you're able to find this by following your intuition, your own path, your own goals. What's your path? It's in your intuition. It's in your heart. Okay, you need to create your own goals and your own dreams out loud. Write them down. Don't have them in your mind. It's in your mind. It stays in your mind. You need to focus on yourself when it comes to this, because when you're focused on other people, on other distractions, on social media, what lights up others may dim your light. So it's important for you to find this by using your intuition, by guiding yourself with what brings you joy, which leads up to focus on yourself, not on others. When you're looking out to the outer world and scrolling down social media and seeing how others are living their lives, how they're always in vacation, they have better cars than you. Don't compare yourself to anyone else. The only person that you should be comparing yourself is the person you were yesterday. Outdo your past, not others. Challenge yourself, which will lead to give you more confidence. Okay, it's okay to be confident about yourself. It's okay to be focused all on yourself. Trust me, this will do you more good than it will do anyone else. Okay, you're not here to be anyone else but yourself. Be confident about who you are. Like, no one has what I have. I'm here for a unique purpose, and I understand that. I'm so grateful that I am different than anyone else. This world where we live in is always changing, and you need to be adapt to change. You need to embrace the changes that is going within you, the growth that is arising within you. Don't ignore it. Don't wake up looking at your phone. No, do more of what brings you joy, more of that which when you're doing it, you forget about time. You're just so focused in it, and that's just so beautiful to have. Instead of comparing yourself to those that are more fortunate than you, or those that are more or less of a fortune than you, instead of comparing and hating that you don't have that you're not worthy of that, bless that which you want. So for example, if I see someone else has my dream car, I'm not going to hate or compare myself that I don't have that. No, I'm going to bless and I'm going to give good energy that they have that, because in doing that, I'm aligning myself on that energy that they have so that I'm able to get more of that. Don't limit yourself. 3, Break your own limits. Break your own limits and outgrow yourself, okay? Those things that you do every day are you. If you're the type of person wakes up, responds and replies to, goes on social media as soon as you wake up, you're being more of a responder instead of waking up and being grateful for you. Focus on yourself. When you focus on yourself, you're going to outgrow the person you were yesterday. You're challenging yourself to get up from the bed and do what you want to do. If that involves that you want to wake up early, start with waking up 1 hour earlier than what you usually do, and instead of going on your phone, do something that you enjoy. Because over time, if you have that habit will become you, and you will be outgrowing the person that you were again yesterday. Like Khaleesi says, I am the breaker of chains. Yes, you are the breaker of your own chains, of your own bad habits. And this is challenging to do because it's a whole cycle, a whole pattern that you've been living for years that you want to break out of. But it is important for you to do so, which leads to sacrifices. It's okay to say no. It's okay to say no with authentic certainty. Right now, you're finding out, you're putting big energy into what you want, which means that you're gonna have to sacrifice going out with your friends, having fun, seeing them have fun without you. It's okay, because at the end you're learning more about you. You're becoming a bigger person for a bigger purpose, okay? And then once you put that big energy, it's, you know, you're always gonna need to put big energy. The challenges are more challenges. It doesn't end. Even when you die, I don't think it ends. But my point is, when you start, you're gonna influence all the people around you for good, and later on you're gonna be able to go out with them and have fun, and you're gonna feel like you actually deserve to go out and have fun. You're not gonna feel like you're ignoring something that's in you that you've been wanting to do but you don't do because you choose to not sacrifice and have fun and be your old version. No, become a 2.0, become a new version of yourself. Get up early, do what you need to do to be able to outgrow yourself. Stay focused on yourself, be confident, say affirmations to yourself. It's okay to be different. It's actually marvelous to be yourself, to be your real self. Start a new habit and break an old habit. Maybe you start a new habit with, instead of waking up to rush yourself, you wake up an hour early to have that solitude for yourself, and you break out the chain of being on your phone as the first thing that you do. And trust me, over days, you be consistent with this, that's going to become the new you. What it takes. Well, more coffee. I'm getting hyper. What it takes courage to be disciplined and to be responsible for your own success. A lot of mental, you're like battling with yourself because you're trying to, again, break a chain that you no longer want to be chained to, because you want to know more about your purpose and be more about your dreams than your bad habits. Break your own chains, which leads to number 5. I need to get up. Be your own greatest supporter. Okay, this includes saying affirmations to yourself. Okay, the more you say them, the more it will reproduce into your reality. Alright, so now I'm going to give you some affirmations for you to write down if this resonates with you and you think it will help you to write it down if it supports you and serves you. Okay, so I am unstoppable. I am different, and that is why I win. I am different, and that is why I win. I am committed to myself and speak my truth all the time. It takes courage to stand up for yourself. I am grateful for who I am becoming. And this is also important because you need to be adaptable to change. Therefore, you're not always the same. You can't stay in the same position, right? You need to grow. So that means that you need to be becoming. Once you get to where you want it to be, years from now, in that time and point, you're going to want to be somewhere else. And you're always challenging yourself to a higher mountain that it's forever never ending. That's why it's important for you to know that you are still becoming, and you're gonna be becoming, and when you die there is no end, right? I am the only one that has a say in my life. I create my own story. Nothing is true or false. Understand this. As above, so below. So you have the power within to create your own story. And each time you get closer to your goals, celebrate by going out with your friends because you actually feel like you deserve it when you do this. Yeah, like I was saying, celebrate your own story. As little as a small accomplishment, you need to celebrate, because the more you celebrate, the more your reality is becoming aware that it needs to have more of that which what you want in your life. Okay? Number 6, and the most important above all, be real with yourself. It is the greatest filter you can ever use to instantly filter out people that do not belong with you. And at the same time, it reveals those who do. What? Yeah, being real with yourself helps you to find the people that actually belong with you and filters out all the fakeness. Don't please other people, please yourself. You need to be real with yourself, okay? Because the more real you are with yourself, the more of that which way you want, you will attract to yourself. I have a lot of loving people in my circle, and that's because I am real with myself. Okay, like this is coming from a girl that was bullied from 1st grade all the way to 8th grade. Different schools, different New York, Los Angeles. It was different. And I still kept getting bullied. I didn't care. I was still true to myself. And above all, I attracted those people that actually belong with me. And I'm so thankful for that. So you start becoming real with yourself, a lot of people are going to fall from your social circle. And that's okay. That just means that the people that belong with you are going to be revealed. When you accept that you are unique, when you accept that you are different than others, and that is why you win, your true self, you find greatness. That is your biggest power, because it's coming within, okay? And it's gonna create your outer reality. So bless that which you don't have yet. Bless it, because you're aligning with it, and it's going to be revealed to you in your reality pretty soon. When you stay focused on yourself, you're gonna be able to serve other people. You're gonna be able to inspire other people to do the same. You cannot help anyone else if you're not helping yourself. Focus on yourself, and help other people along the way. And that's your wealth. You know, when you're able to help yourself and serve others, like really truly wanting to help others, that's where your wealth comes in. Okay. Like Immortal Technique says, rise up, young brother. It ain't your time. It's not your time. Let me share with you guys something that I wrote on here. Remember that your dominant thoughts will eventually reproduce into your reality. You are responsible for your own success. Find that within you to be able to serve others. Be your true self. Don't care what anyone else says. They're the ones that are hating themselves. Whatever people reflect, it's occurring in themselves, okay? Be loving. Go through it with your intuition to find your right path. Do everything with passion. Hey, that is a key here too. Wake up with passion. Go to your car with passion. Take a shower with passion. How are you able to take a shower in the most passionate way? Drive to work in the most passionate way. What you're doing here is, like I said, you're being aware of your thoughts to be able to reproduce in the long run your reality of that which you want. Focus on yourself, please. Focus on yourself and find more about what's in here. And that requires, like I said, a lot of focus and discipline. Sacrifice, it'll be all worth it. I'm sending you guys lots of success, lots of positive, big energy. Take that, take that, take that. Also, I forgot to mention, when I say everything is within yourself, it is. When I say don't care what anyone else says, is basically saying only take that serves you and supports you, because there's a lot of great teachers and advisors out that give you great wisdom, but the real wisdom is within you. Take that serves you and make it your own. Make your dreams a reality, okay? You could do this. You got this. It's only a matter of challenging your mind, okay? Because your heart is already there. Take a leap of faith of that which is in you and bring it out to the world. And it starts first with you. If you got inspired. If this resonated with you, please comment down below which takeaways you took from this video and smash that like button. It would truly help me with the YouTube algorithm. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already and hit that bell notification so that you'll be one of the first ones to receive my content when it's uploaded. In this channel, I do different perspective videos, mostly about self-growth, spiritually, mentally, physically, girl boss, all that jazz. Sometimes, you know, lifestyle, personal ones. Anyways, yes, like, comment, share, and subscribe, and be a part of this community. And for those of you guys that are already subscribed to my channel, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. I really, truly appreciate it, and I really hope this helps you be more curious about yourself, be more open, and less distracted about the matrix. Remember, spread passion, much love, and peace.